You're not gonna believe this, but I am back at the church, and look what I found. The BDP, 1979 BDP, and 1999 Bryant just got replaced. This came out of nowhere. And the heat pumps, that's good. Couple scroll literally just got installed. The wrapper is literally still on these units. Brand spanking new. 2024 5-ton. It's like the old BDP. I am going to miss those units very much. There's nothing running. Now I was really trying to get that BDP frosting. Yeah, and this one's the same thing. Also a heat pump. 2024 5-ton. Nope. And yeah. Lily still has the wrapper on it still. Take those off. Yeah. Oh, American Standard is still here. And this beast is still here. I think this thing is next to go. Yeah. I don't know if they are gonna cut the lines or something like that. It's still installed. But yeah. Okay. That is very sad, but they were old. I get it. Now I got 2 new ruud units to get the frosting. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and over and out.